Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to do a super quick unboxing. I am so sorry if you hear the noise in the background. They're doing some renovation work down in the basement. We're actually leaving at the end of this week to move out for a little while they do our main floor. But anyways, that's why the background noise. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I just got my Hobo Weeks cream croc, and I just took out of the main package, but not like haven't actually unboxed it. So I just thought I'd do that quickly on camera, and I'm gonna show you guys how it fits with this Hobonichi Weeks dupe. I will link it in the description below. But I just got this on AliExpress, and it's called Kimboy. And I've been using it for pre-planning because I had a Hobonichi Weeks cousin before, but I wasn't really using it. I'm so sorry. I hope that noise, contractors talking, is not too distracting. But anyway, so it kind of looks like this on the inside. This is kind of what I was going to do with it. I was going to put some Etsy information, but it has this overview, yearly overview page. Then it has 12 monthly pages. And then it has the weeklies, like this. And there's not really many notes pages on the back. That's the only difference. There's a few. Oh, wait, no, there actually is a bunch, but they're not gridded. I lied. There is a bunch. That's how many notes pages, but they look like that. Sorry, I'm kind of jumping into this before the actual unboxing, but anyways, I wanted to show you guys this. And it's the same size as the Weeks. Everything else is the same. It fits into like a Weeks clear cover on cover. And so I'm just going to show it to you guys with this. I don't know if you heard me earlier, but yeah, so I had an actual Weeks, like a Hobonichi Weeks, and I wasn't using it. I ended up using it like kind of like as a memory planner, and so I never got one for this year. But then I kind of wanted to try it out again to use for pre-planning and kind of like an on-the-go, because I found my pocket, like my Pocket Luxe, the cream croc one that you guys have probably seen. It's just like a bit too wide to fit in like a small bag. So I thought this would be a better option. And I love the cream croc. So when they had a restock, I was like, oh, I'm gonna jump on that and get it in the cream croc. Sorry, I'm a bit stuffy because I have allergies. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's just what it looks like. It has the big back pocket. I used to have one of these covers, but just the original, the first one, that didn't come with the back pocket, and I do like the back pocket. Whew, the smell is strong though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card slots. Slot here, 2 slots here, 1 here, 1 here, and a little secretarial, and then that for the pen, obviously. So the only thing is I have a pen loop on the clear cover already. What I wonder if I could do is flip this around and go this way. No, that wouldn't make any sense. So I guess I won't be able to use this one. Let me just see if they both slip in. And I do remember seeing that. Oh, it's a bit tight. Yeah, so it is tight with the clear cover on cover. So I think I might have to take that off. This out. Put that to the side. Take that little guy out. And there we go. That's a perfect fit. Okay. There we go. Cute. Okay, my future self, jumping in here really quickly. It's been about like a couple weeks now that I have had this, and I have been using this Hobo Weeks. And while I was using it, I was wanting a supplement for it. Something that's like a vertical layout, because this one is, obviously you guys know, for this fake one as well as the actual Hobo Weeks, obviously the layouts are horizontal, right? And you don't have many options in this Hobo Weeks size option, right? Like, if you look and try to find notebooks that are this size, there's really nothing besides the Hobo Weeks like supplements, like that. These are from Hobonichi Weeks, and they're like the 3-in-a-pack memo pads. And you really can't find anything this size. Unless you guys know something, please let me know down below, but I can't find this size anywhere. So I thought, okay, I was thinking about like getting a B6 or a B6 Slim, which is about the same height. I think it's a little bit shorter. It's actually a bit shorter. It's not the same height. It's a bit shorter, and it's a bit wider, but somehow making it work. But I've been really enjoying this. It's kind of weird because I'm future self talking about in the previous self. Anyways, I hope I'm not confusing you. Anyways, so in the past couple of weeks that I'm using this, I've been really loving this as an on the go, and I'm kind of reaching it more often because I am now moved out of my house. So like I'm kind of dislodged because we're doing renos, we're moving out for a little bit, we're moving back after the main floor renos are done. Anyway, so I've been keeping this on the go, and I just want something else that fits inside here. So if I got a B6 as a supplement, I definitely have to trim it, and I don't want to have a separate notebook that I have to carry. Anyways, long story short is that I made this little supplement, and what I did was I just made my own inserts in Hobonichi Weeks memo pad size. So it's the same size as this. You see that? I made it the same size as that because what I thought might be nice is like to be able to tuck it in like that. And you know how some people have like that little back pocket slip, you know, the clear one that comes with the Hobonichi Weeks? You can slip this in there as well and then hide it in your Hobonichi Weeks. That's why I decided to do it this memo pad size instead of like actual Hobonichi Weeks paper size. So it's a bit smaller. So I just made this, and I think I'll have a version of this in my shop. So the one that I made, I actually added a schedule, but I think this schedule, you know, is probably not going to work for everyone. So the version that I'll probably have on my shop when this video is up is just like where every day is going to be like this, where it's just open task list style, and that way if you want to write a schedule you can, right? So I just think that makes it a bit more open-ended. But anyways, so I've been loving this as a supplement because now I can have my vertical layout that I like so much that you don't get in the Hobonichi Weeks. So I've been really enjoying that. I only just did it, but anyways, love it. Again, it's in I'll link my shop info for those of you who don't know down below if you're interested. If you want like a schedule one, you can always, you know, DM me for a custom. But what it is, it's been so nice because you just have the, you know, the couple pages of inserts, the 2 pages, and you can print as many of these as you want, and you can you know, turn it into a booklet like I did. And I just printed enough to create 1 month, but I mean, you can print as many as you want, obviously, to do 2 months, 3 months, whatever. Yeah, and then you just layer them together, and I just put a little cardstock cover on it, and I have been loving this. Also, if anybody knows, because I'm kind of a noob at this, when you're creating little booklets, and you know, if you trim your inserts, like when you fold them, they kind of like overhang each other. So like, how do you get it so that when you like, you know, close it, it doesn't overhang? I mean, I just have the Fiskars trimmer, so like I can't just close it and trim everything, which I assume is how they do the actual notebooks. I don't know. If you guys have a better idea how to trim that, let me know, okay? So back to the original video, okay? I'll just put this back. Perfect. For some reason, I kind of like my pocket cream croc better than this, and I don't know why. I don't know if it's just the, like, you know, upon first impression, but this is the pocket. This is the Hobo Weeks. It's like, it looks almost like a different shade, like it's a bit brighter or something, and I kind of like the darker one better. Do you guys see that? I don't know, I kind of feel like this one looks more natural and this one looks a bit fake. So I don't know, hopefully I'll like it a bit more after a couple days of use, but yeah, I don't know, I don't love it as much as I love this as soon as I got it, so we'll see. Okay, so that's that. Super quick and short video, I just thought I'd jump on and show you. Pen loop is big. I have this tiny friction slim pen, but you can fit anything in there. It's huge. Okay. So let me know below, guys. Do you guys have a Weeks cover? And what do you guys think about the Crocs? Also link these down below. Anyways, yeah, let me know. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.